Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Take a moment to settle into comfortable position. All your hands to rest gently. Close your eyes. Begin to notice your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale peace. Exhale everything you no longer need to carry. Allow your breathing to become slow, natural, effortless. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter, more relaxed, more present. Now, bring your awareness to the area just above your navel, the center of your abdomen. This is your Solar Plexus Chakra, the home of your confidence, your courage, your personal power. Imagine a beautiful golden yellow light glowing softly like the warmth of the morning sun, resting in the center of your belly. With every inhale, the light becomes brighter, warmer, more radiant. And with every exhale, it gently melts away doubt, fear, shame, and the need to prove yourself. Feel this warm golden light relaxing your stomach, your digestive system, your liver, your pancreas. Every muscle in your abdomen softens. Every organ receives this healing light. Allow this warmth to spread into your ribs, your chest, your back, your entire core. This is the center of your inner fire, the fire of purpose, the fire of creativity, the quiet strength that has always lived within you. Take a deep breath and silently repeat after me. I trust myself. I am enough. My voice, my choices, and my presence matter. I release the need for approval. I choose myself with love. I have the courage to grow. Even one small step at a time. Feel this golden light becoming brighter, expanding beyond your body, creating a beautiful sphere of confidence around you. You don't have to become someone else. You simply remember who you already are. Rest here for a few minutes, breathing, receiving, trusting. And slowly now, begin bringing your awareness back. Notice your breath. Notice your body. Gently move your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders softly. Take one last deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this golden light with you today. Walk gently, speak kindly, stand confidently, because everything you need already lives within you. And remember, come home to your smile.